Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew and it's Saturday morning. Got to sleep in a little bit today. The cats did not get us out of bed. They're actually cold, so one of them joined us this morning. So today I am making a tomato and spinach pasta. It's a meatless meal. And let's see what I've got going. Plenty of olives. We got green olives. We have Kalamata olives and some capers and some baby tomatoes, or I think those are actually grape tomatoes. Some garlic, salted butter this time, and we got some red chili pepper flakes, and we're going to have some lemon juice. This has been a big week for lemons. I bought a bunch of them this week. This will be the third meal this week we've had lemons or lemon juice, and yeah, it's been fun. Last night's dinner, if you see the pictures or see the video, it looks a little dark, the chicken that is, but it was very tasty, very good, and it was very juicy. It was technically not overcooked at all. My wife loves the sides. That's Robin. Robin is currently, she's over actually in her chair right now, eating leftovers from last night for breakfast. She loved the cheese sauce on the broccoli, and my roasted red baby potatoes are always a good thing to go to. And have a great Saturday, eat some great food, and have fun cooking.